much better. Alright, what's up guys? Kaise ho? Alana, hope everyone is doing great. Today is like almost third or fourth day of drying the car. It's still wet. We literally took 2 to 3 buckets of water from it using this vacuum cleaner. But it's still, I don't know from where is it coming, but it keeps on coming. I think it is under the mat. Water is still fine. Once the sun comes out, it's gonna dry. But the problem is smell. It smells like shit. We used some vinegar spray and it's better now. The smell is reduced by at least 70-80%. But then it still feels damp. Oh, perfect. Flight should definitely fly. Seema is vlogging now. We dried it as much as possible, but then still we need professional services for that so that it doesn't smell. Internal shampooing is much required. Let me show you the situation right now. Much better, definitely much better. Gone by 60-70%. Only thing is it's still damp. All the carpets are still damp. Yes, see this water? Can you see this? I don't know if you're able to see it, but yes, there is a lot of water. And because we kept the doors open, there will be a lot of mosquitoes inside. Oh yes, I can see a lot of mosquitoes. What I'll do now is I'm taking it to Always Dry now. The people who did ceramic coating for this car, they said they'll help me out. I did not tell you what happened to our Accent, right? Our Hyundai Accent. It's totally gone. Like water came till the roof because we couldn't park the car here because of the road construction. Luckily, because it's a new car, I thought why to risk and I put it in my friend's house. Otherwise, even this car would go. That was Dad's car, the Hyundai Accent. That's gone. Like we had to literally scrap it. The car is no more. While I was in the trip, Dad sent me the photos of the car as well. I will just show you those videos and photos. Check it out. Left the beast here. This is fine because exhaust is like really tall, no issues even if it's flooding. But Portico, Triumph Street Twin Co, I put it here. Much safer here. I had to put all these stones and I had to take it up. At least the bikes are safe. You know, to be honest, I don't have that much of memories with Verna. It is just a car for me. Yet to create those memories because I didn't use it much. I didn't travel much. It is 3 years old and I finished just 15,000 kilometers. But the Accent, which is almost 15 years old, I have like great amount of memories in that car. When I used to work in Google, me and Pooja met and we used to go in that car. And now all of a sudden, I couldn't even see it for the last time. It just vanished. I was in the trip and Dad had to do all the scrapping and all that. They said to repair it, it's gonna cost 50-60,000 rupees, while the car value is already 60-70,000 rupees. So even if we do all that and sell it, we might get 10,000 or 15,000 of profit on that car. Instead, if you scrap it, we get more value. Rest is history. It's just vanished like that. Genuinely, I felt bad. A little bit. First thing I have to do is put the windows down here. Incredible smell. Shit! Yeah, actually shit just smell. Shit man, I have to drive like this only. Now it's better. And there are hundreds of mosquitoes inside. Okay, 2 important things to do. First thing is to go and give this car for the cleaning. Second important thing is now we don't have a secondary car. And we need 2 cars at home because one car I keep taking it out, and dad needs a car obviously. Abhi new car bolto which one? This time I don't want to go for a Hyundai, but unfortunately we might be considering the Hyundai sister. Yes, we're planning to take a Kia Sonet. Was the first option, but then dad said let's go for a bigger one this time, because I'm not going to spend anything on this and dad is going to take it for himself, but he wants me to survey and check which car is the best. And I feel with all the features, with all the engine options, with the quality, I think we should consider the Kia Seltos, and in that budget I think that is the best one. Let's see. Right now going to the Kia showroom. I'm not sure if I can get the test drive of the petrol turbo DCT 1.4. Yes, this time I want to go, and dad wants a petrol car. Let's go to the Kia showroom and get the test drive done. If it's all good, then maybe. He's already seen it. Actually, me, mom and dad, yesterday we went to the Kia showroom, Uppal, and we checked it out just to show them the colors and all that. He really liked the sporty, the dual tone black and white wala. First, let me go test drive it. If I'm convinced, then let's book it. See you at the Kia showroom. Days to get this clean. Luckily today there is a little bit of sun, in case tomorrow or day after tomorrow, as per the forecast there is sun. If it is not there, then it will have to stay here for at least 3 to 4 days, because properly water went inside. Hopefully they should clean it. There are at least 2 or 3 cars here with the same issue. See, the smell I was talking about, it is this. That is proper moss. That is the smell emanating from the car. Literally, it smells like this. This is like so much of water inside. Oh man, you can't go inside and smell it. Horrible smell. We already removed like almost 3 to 4 buckets of water, and I can still see another 2 buckets of water inside. Water is still fine, but man, it smells so bad. Charan is here, let him smell it. Charan, do you have the guts to smell the car?
That's why I have the mask. You came driving in this car?
It didn't smell because the carpet was there.
Achha.
Now once they removed it, they tadi.
You have to buy 2 cars now, not one.
No, one car. This is water there, that's it. Uske liye new car. I'm not so rich like you. Sir, bye. Repu eppudu rammantu? Nee ayinaka call cheyalanu. Okay, leaving the car here for I don't know 2 days at least. Look at this. Look at this. You have sanitizer?
Yeah, but don't enter the car till you are sanitized.
Adventures of Hyderabad floods. One car gone. Totally. We have to go and get a new car.
So
not for me, it is for dad.
Accident floating,
Floating, literally floating. We parked it somewhere else. It came near our house and stopped. Totally scrapped, you know that? Totally scrapped. We took it to the Hyundai showroom. They said if you sell this car in good condition, you'll get 70,000. If it was in good condition. Now if you get it repaired, it'll cost you 50,000. So your profit will be 20,000. Or else scrap it, you'll get 25,000. Gone. I didn't even see it.
So
last chup.
Anyone watching whose cars are still flooded, from an insurance guy, just want to say, don't start the car. Don't ever start your car if it's flooded. Wait till the water is completely
I started and got it here.
Your engine is not damaged.
Yeah, so, it didn't go into the engine.
But if it is flooded where the water level is higher than the engine, your engine won't start, it will seize up. The insurance also won't cover it. So you have to replace or get your entire engine repaired, which is a very costly thing, and a lot of people don't know about that in insurance. We have seen so many claims. So there is an option, engine protect. There is an engine protect option which covers this damage also. So get that, or don't start till the water is dried off.
So you can get it now?
Now you can buy now. for future. Still low for us.
F40.
ఈ ఫ్లడ్ అయితే ఏంద్రా పరిస్థితి? అది ఫ్లడ్ అయితే కనపడదు.
I don't know what car is that. What is that? F? Some
Ben-
Ferrari.
Bentley, whatever. Bonnet,
Amazing.
Bentley.
This is why I don't like coming this side. 2-3 days we were in Malkajgiri.
Arey, it's okay, re.
We're seeing only Verna is the biggest car there.
If it lets, it will be below that quid.
Oh, I don't know how many of you know it, but Charan's full-time job is not job, but he
Was-
owns an insurance broking company.
Was
CEO.
ciao.
ఈ ట్రాఫిక్ ఏంటి?
ఈ జూవి.
ఓ రెడ్ కాదు మెరూన్ లో ఉందిరా. నాట్ రెడ్, ఇట్స్ ఇన్ మెరూన్ లైన్.
Get a SUV.
Yes, I need to tell you something. We are planning not for the Sonet, for the
Oh.
Seltos.
Okay. If you have
So
money.
problem, not me, dude. My dad is getting it. मेरा खत्म हो गया street twins है, enough. I might pull in a little bit, but majority dad is taking it. It's his car, accent replacement.
నువ్వు నడపవా?
Nata?
బోస్ ఆన్ చేసి కూర్చుంటావు రాగానే.
अरे Bose sound system
Dad
in the
use
Kia
the Verna,
Seltos.
I will use the Seltos for Bose.
That might happen.
That will happen. Dad use the Verna, the Mori Verna.
No. I like the Verna. Quick, simple, chak poch atla. Seltos ka
Sonet?
fun is like high ground clearance, but thing is they don't have Seltos, the one I wanted to test drive. So
DCT.
Sonet is there. I still want to test drive it. Let's see
We
if I get
have
impressed.
one of your subscribers in Bihan Kia.
ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే నేను
Why not what is this, Merc?
Cute
Yeah.
boy. Mercedes
E-Class,
Charan asking me to take the Mercedes.
CLE.
ఆ రేంజ్ ఇంకా రాలేదు. ఇంకా
Loan
టైం
pe-
ఉంది.
hey,
Definitely
door
one day.
open చేసిండు.
Hey. Mercedes, BMW, Audi, maintenance is too
How
expensive.
about
For now,
pre-owned?
not pre-owned, brand new Mercedes. My favorite is Mercedes someday, not now. Abhi time hai uske liye. Maybe 2 years, 3 years down the line. Abhi I'm happy with my Verna, my Street Twin, my Tiger. Actually, next big purchase would be a ADV after the Tiger dies. Don't want that to happen, but facts are facts. Honesty.
సో నీకు క్రెటా లోపల కొంచెం ప్రీమియం ఉంది. Then this one.
Now Charan is confusing me.
No, I'm saying if
He's
you're
saying
so for a
Creta bhi
bigger
dekho ek
car-
baar. See Creta, thing is I didn't like the exterior design much.
అరే ఫస్ట్ లో నచ్చింది బాగానే ఉందన్నావు కదరా మేము బాగా.
Yeah, I like it, but not over with Seltos in terms of design.
Okay, so people usually said this. If you want driving fun and all, go for Seltos. If you want comfort and slightly more luxurious feel, go for Creta.
Confusing.
That is the bigger size. Smaller size, Sonet wins
No,
over
this looks
Venue.
big, yeah. This looks nice and big compared to the Sonet especially.
But Sonet versus Venue, I would say go for Sonet.
Why can't I see anything that says Bose?
It is not top end.
Oh, only
GT,
top
but-
end may we get Bose. Anyways, we're going for the top end
So
only.
GTK and GTX, the two versions.
It seems torque converter Seltos is there for the test drive.
Yeah, the one.
We'll do
outside.
that first because that is one option. DCT may there are some
You'll
issues
get
I
an
heard.
idea of,
Kia
top-
says there's no issue, but even Charan told me there are not like major issues. That heating issues there little bit, but then
That's more like you need to
learn
know
how to drive.
use it.
How to use it. Let's see. Abhi to let's test drive these Seltos or Sonet Seltos. I'm so confused. Yeah. Seltos, torque converter, automatic. Uncle, tension పడుతుంది ఏమవుతుందని.
I'm correct.
This was one more color I really like, the blue Seltos. Okay, I'm gonna test ride the new Seltos.
Diesel automatic.
This is diesel automatic,
మరి
torque converter. And
Sonet?
DCT లేదురా, DCT Sonet ఉంది.
okay. So
We can test drive that as well.
Yeah,
right?
sir, sure.
Next we'll do that.
Sure, sir.
So this is diesel top end.
Yes, sir.
This is
This is
diesel
a diesel
top end.
HT line top end.
HT.
Yeah.
So
DCT comes only in the GT line.
Okay.
So in that
is
you
it?
also get this driving mode, sir.
Okay.
Driving modes and traction control modes.
You wanna connect the Bose sound system? So this is 1.5
1.5 CRDI diesel.
CRD.
Yes, sir.
This is normal torque converter.
Yes, sir. This is the torque converter.
So you might have driven both, right?
Yeah, sir.
So which one did you like personally?
I'm a petrol head, sir, so I
Oh,
like the
okay.
DCT. It's also quick in shifting.
Mhm.
The 0 to 100 is very quick, sir.
Basically, it's the same engine that Verna has, right?
Yes, sir. I think that is 1.6 CRDI.
1.6, yes.
Yes, 1.6 CRDI.
Right. This is 1.5.
Due to the BS6 norms, they have reduced it, sir.
Oh,
Now
okay,
it is 1.5 CRDI. But petrol is lovely, sir. Petrol is really nice.
Uh-huh. Petrol, the DCT.
The DCT, that is fantastic. The manual as well as automatic.
Now Sonet mein we have 1 liter DCT.
It's a 1 liter
right?
3-cylinder turbo charged petrol.
Okay.
So you're particular about petrol, right? So no? You want
because
to
I
only go
just
with
want
petrol.
that change, you know, from
Okay.
the diesel and the torque converter because I already have one. I want something different this time. So I was thinking of taking the DCT Seltos.
Okay.
I was very sure I'll go for the Sonet, but then Dad saw the Seltos yesterday. He
Okay.
was like, "This looks big and nice. Let's go for this." And do they fall flat? Nothing.
Enthusiastic drivers, they are going only for the DCT.
How better is it on this in terms
Instant
of
acceleration,
driving?
sir. Instant acceleration. Realistic mileage, meeku
In the city
11.5
like
to
this.
12 in heavy city traffic. 11.5 వస్తుంది, sir.
Seriously?
Yes.
ఇక్కడ కొంచెం
ఇంకా టార్క్ అన్నట్టు కదా, కొద్దిగా మీకు వస్తుంది రబ్బర్ బ్యాండ్ ఎఫెక్ట్.
that pull is not there. Torque is missing కొంచెం. Not impressive. This one is so not impressive. We need to test drive the brakes are good, yeah. ఈ క్విక్ పుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి చూడరా, హియర్ లైక్ 20-30 కిలోమీటర్స్ తో ఇట్ ఇస్ నైస్, బట్ లాంగ్ స్ట్రెచ్ పుల్ లేదు.
సో ప్రాపర్ సిటీ కార్ అని చెప్పి.
ఎస్ ఎస్. సో వన్స్ ఇట్ క్రాసెస్ 60 kilometers an hour and you want that pull, లేదు, it's dead.
DCT, as I told you, it is very nice, sir.
ఇంతకన్నా ఇమీడియట్ ఉంటుందా?
Yes, it is very instant.
This is nice in the beginning, like up to 40,
Like
50, it's having that
DCT
power.
ఆ స్పెషాలిటీ అదే సార్ దాన్ని.
But whenever that comes, tell me. I'll test drive
I'll
that.
definitely tell you,
If
sir.
that's good, I'll do that.
షూర్ సార్, 1-2 days లో I'll update you, sir.
Okay.
But I'm sure, sir, second thoughts కూడా లేదు. You'll definitely like it.
Okay, test drove the Seltos. Seltos? DCT? No. Alright, so many variants, very confusing. Diesel torque converter, basically. I was not so impressed with it. Now we are test driving Sonet DCT, 1 liter. No, you have the same variant actually. 1.5
But why?
torque converter. I want to compare both of them. Same engine. This engine, that engine, same.
So, మీ purpose కి how does it work?
If that is impressive, then I didn't get impressed with this.
Okay, if that is good, you go for Sonet.
I'll tell Dad that is better than. But still, I'll wait for the DCT Seltos and then decide. But ఇది కూడా చేసేస్తే అయిపోతుంది.
DCT petrol నడిపితే you get an idea of the DCT gearbox.
అది కూడా నడుద్దాం. Here we'll test drive everything and decide. Now test driving the Sonet DC. Sonet 1.5 torque converter. Full confusing. నాకు ఇప్పుడు దాకా 1250 GS అన్నాకే రాలేదు. Take a U-turn or straight? Straight is better.
Sir, మీకు ఎలా అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇంకా ట్రాఫిక్
అదే. And ఇలానే ఉంటుందా the DCT petrol Seltos? Do you think it's this good?
It is better than this, sir, according to me.
Then
Yes, sir.
I think I have to test drive that. If you wouldn't say that, I would go for this.
Okay.
It was impressive, that pull. Only thing I'll miss is that 360 camera and
Blind view monitoring system, head-up display.
DCT లో లైట్లు.
Oh, this is nice. Charan, did you feel any difference?
మస్తు.
No?
Yeah.
I full throttle the Seltos, the diesel, the same engine.
It was struggling.
You want to
It was
try on
struggling.
sport mode, sir?
Oh, yeah, there is a sport mode as well.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is sport mode.
This is sport now.
Yeah.
I'm sold on this, yeah. I'm sold on this. But I'll test drive the Seltos DCT and then decide.
Sure, sir.
Array, very good it is. Yes. Nice. No wonder it's selling like hotcakes.
Diesel లో this is better.
Sold. I'm sold on this. No wonder they're selling so many Sonets. Really good, amazing.
Yeah. Test drive the GT, DCT.
Yeah, yet to test drive the GT, DCT, Seltos. 1.4 turbo Seltos. But seriously man, this is really good. The same engine lo cheppadam kashtam ippudu. Whatever Seltos I drove, the same engine in the Sonet. Excellent. Maybe because of the weight difference. 200 to 300 kilos of a weight difference. Excellent. 9 out of 10. But I'll wait for the Seltos 1.4 turbo GTX plus DCT, 7-speed DCT.
They have 20 variants or something, I guess.
Seriously, that variance is like టైగర్లోనే ఇప్పుడు దాకా అర్థం కాలేదు ఇంకా నాకు వేరియంట్స్ XCA, XCT, XCR ఏమో ఇన్ని వేరియంట్స్ ఉంటాయా ఏదైనా కార్లో. చిప్స్ ప్యాకెట్ కూడా అన్ని ఫ్లేవర్స్ ఉండవు. ఎనీవేస్ ఆన్ అ సీరియస్ నోట్, కియా హ్యాస్ సంథింగ్ ఆర్ ది అదర్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ సింగిల్ కస్టమర్, బట్ ఓన్లీ థింగ్ ఇస్ 20+ variants. Anyway, I am pretty sure what I want. I wanted a DCT. I wanted a 1.4 petrol DCT turbo GTX Plus. Finally, I learned it. There's a lot of confusion regarding the DCT transmission around the world. Not just Kia, any brand, whoever makes the DCT, the technology is like that. It is a little bit flawed because of the way the clutch works. It heats up a lot in traffic. So there's a particular technique you need to use. Let's say I'm still waiting for the call and the DCT version is not available for test drive, because without test drive, I'm not going to buy any car or any bike for that matter. Even you shouldn't. Chalo then, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't enjoy the first part where my poor accent is gone. But बाकी का part, you can hit the like button. Do hit the like button. Do subscribe. Do share. Do comment. See you guys in the next vlog. Take care. Hopefully, if everything is fine, I'll be booking the car in the next couple of days. But I might even change my decision. I have one more car in mind. Guess.